am Connie Aguilar. I'm with Options for Learning in partnership with the sponsors that allowed us to be here today and promote both of our businesses. And in childcare, we have early education. We focus on Head Start, early Head Start, anything that we can do to support parents with their children and their early education of them. And so we're very proud to be here, and we're very super happy that this company has sponsored us to bring us here and enjoy this wonderful event. Thank you very much and good evening.
Connie, from the moment I met her, not only is she invested in education, but she's invested in children that wouldn't get an education. The goal of Options for Learning is here's an option. Before you slip through the cracks, before you're on the street, before you're in the penal system, before you're a juvenile delinquent, we want to make sure you don't slip through the cracks. So how can we step in and help you?
Yes, and education is a way people can be successful regardless of their income level. You know, education is equal opportunity for everybody.
It's empowering.
I was talking with Sandy the other day that if we're really serious about elevating the community here in Gabriel, it begins with the education.
You got it.
The reason I'm partnering up with St. Gabriel Chamber of Commerce because I know we are really helping the people, but when we say helping, we're talking about at the grassroots level, right? Empowering
People, regardless of where they come from, where they live. We got to empower families through education.
Connie, you don't know my story. My family was born in Indonesia. My parents saved all the money, right? My mom is just an office assistant, never owned a business, saved the money, and I remember my mom told me that the only thing, if there's one thing, is people can take away anything from you, but the education never take away. But it's all the power of education.
She knew.
That he gives back.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.